Today you're going to practice writing division sentences using information in a word problem. You're going to review the parts of a division sentence. We filled this chart out yesterday. Remember, the part of the division sentence always starts with the total. And then the second number is going to represent our number of groups if we have equal groups, or it could also represent our number of rows if we are looking at an array. And the last number is going to represent the size of the group. It's going to tell us the number that will be in each group if we have equal groups, or the number that will be in each row if we have an array. So let's look at this first problem together. The substitute should pause the video right here if you do not already have this set in front of you. It's Math Practice Division Word Problems, Set 1. It says you will practice writing division sentences using the information in the word problems. In these word problems, you will be given the total and the number of groups, and you will need to figure out the size of the groups. And this is what we just looked at. You can refer. That's why I put this at the top of the page, so you can refer to that to help you know how to end up writing the division sentence at the end. Jack has 20 toy dinosaurs, so that's my total. He puts an equal number of dinosaurs in each of 4 boxes, so that's my number of groups. Then we have to figure out how many dinosaurs are in each box. So you all should have this piece of paper in front of you and be working this first problem out with me. Show your work. Draw your groups and deal out the total to find how many dinosaurs are in each box. So we have to draw 4 boxes and make them big enough. I'm just going to do my circles because that's how we've been showing equal groups. And we're going to deal 1 out to each group until we get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if we write this division sentence, our first number is our total, and that is 20. Number of groups, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 dinosaurs put into 4 boxes, and we just figured out by drawing this model that there will be 5 dinosaurs in each box. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. There's a problem down here that you have the total and your number of groups. Trees are groups. And then on the back, you have your total and your number of groups, and total and number of groups. You have a place to draw out and then fill in the entire division sentence. So substitute, if you will stop the video right here and let students answer questions 2, 3, 4, and then you can come back and check answers. So be sure to pause the video and let them work these independently. This is review. We have been studying division for over a week now. So if I have 2 trees, and I'm going to count out 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 birds that are in 2 trees, and you have the same number of birds in each tree, you're going to have 9 birds in each tree. Give yourself a check or a smiley face if you got that one. Karen had 16 ladybugs, and she put ladybugs into 4 jars. So you should have drawn your 4 jars and counted out 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 ladybugs being put into 4 jars means you're going to have 4 ladybugs in each jar. Give yourself a smiley face for a check. Jack puts 15 basketballs into 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 basketballs put into 3 equal groups means you're going to have 5 basketballs in each group. Okay, now you can put this paper off to the side. When we're finished with the other sheet, you're going to put both of these in math practice. So substitute, if you will, pause the video and pass out this set 2, page 2 of division word problems. And we're going to go through like we did on that first page and do the first one together, and then you will do 2, 3, and 4 by yourself. And this should not take very long at all because we have some other things that need to get done in the class period today. You will practice writing division sentences using the information in the word problems. In these word problems, you will be given the total and the number in each group, and you will figure out the number of groups. So we'll be given this number and the answer actually, and we're going to have to figure out our number of groups. Jack has 12 toy helicopters. He wants to put the helicopters into groups of 3. How many groups will he have? So we're doing this a little bit differently. Put your helicopters into groups of 3 until you reach 12. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our total was 12, and our size of our groups was 3. So let's come back and circle each of our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is different. We're putting it into equal groups, and then we got to go back and count the number of groups. So that's different. On this one, you're going to be making groups of 6. And I would probably do like you see it, the dice on the dots on the dice. And you're going to start here and this count on making groups of 6 until you reach 30. And then you're going to circle how many groups of 6 you have. So you'll have 30 here and 6 here. And then this is going to be the number of groups you end up with. Substitute, if you will pause the video right here, and you can let the students work on this paper together with one person that's beside them. We're not moving all over the room. So if you want to let them quickly find out the answers to number 2, number 3, and number 4 with the person that's sitting beside them, and then pick the video back up, play it again, and let them check answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 6. 30 put into 5 groups means you're going to have 6 in each group. Give yourself a check or a smiley face. On the back, Tim places 35 books on his bookshelf with 7 books on each shelf. So put your books into groups of 7. I'm going to make out like I'm putting them on a shelf and count up to 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So then we're going to circle each group of 7 or count our rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 35 books put into groups of 7 means you're going to have them on 5 shelves. And then the last one, we have 28 puppies in all, and we're going to put 4 puppies in each cage. So we're going to make groups of 4 until we reach 28. Groups of 4 until we reach 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means you're going to have 7 cages with 4 puppies in each cage. All right, if you'll take both of these papers and put them into your math practice sheet protector, you are going to now work in iExcel. You're going to work in iExcel, and you're going to first search for the shortcut FSX and work those problems out. And then you're going to search for 8RW and work those problems out. You should have a little piece of paper where you're going to write down the number you got correct in each of those topics. After you finish that, you have a daily grade to do. So we're not going to take a whole lot of time. Again, on these, you should get these done in about 10 minutes each. Then you should have about 10 minutes for 15 minutes for iExcel, and then that gives you plenty of time for your daily grade. When you finish your daily grade, if there's time after that, you can do your MobyMax.